Alright, just wanted to do a quick unboxing and installation video for the Lutron Aurora Friends of Hue rotary switch. This is a pretty cool product that basically just pops over a traditional light switch like this to really make it a lot easier to use the connected bulbs and lights. So let's open this box up here. Okay, so when you take it out, you've got the dimmer and the little mounting bracket on the top. You got an instruction manual. If you purchase the kit with a screwdriver, it might come with a Lutron branded screwdriver. Otherwise, make sure you have a small Philips head screwdriver. You will need that to complete the installation. So basically, first thing we're going to do here is open this clamshell up, remove the mounting bracket, and remove the actual dimmer down here. To pair the switch, you're going to go into the Hue app. You're going to go to Add Accessory, Add Friends of Hue Accessory, and choose the Aurora option. It will ask you to double tap this quickly. When you do that, you'll see an LED indicator on here blink slowly, and then when it's done pairing, it will blink fast. So now that it's paired, you can see if I just press this, lights go off, press it again, lights go on. That's great. So the next step is to actually mount this bracket onto your switch. And it's pretty cool. So you really, very, very easy. You want to make sure that you have your switch in the on position. So if it's off, make sure you turn it on. And then you take this bracket and you basically install it so that the metal part is under the switch. If you have the on position with the switch down, then you want the metal bracket at the top. But if it's at the up position like this, and you hold it like that, and then you basically just take your screwdriver like this and you turn that little screw until it tightens around the switch. See if I can do this one-handed. So that's basically it. So you tighten that screw, it raises up this metal part, presses into the switch, and that holds it in the on position. And then all that's left to do, if you see the back of this, there's a little hole at the top here. You want to put that over the actual switch, and then once you snap it on, it's good to go. So press it to turn it on, press it again to turn it off. You can turn it up and down. One thing to make sure is go into the app, into the settings, and configure it to last on. That will make it so that when you turn it back on, it comes back to the same brightness and color that it was when you turned it off, and make it behave like a more traditional dimmer. It's a very nice feature. My only feature request is if maybe this had a dim to warm feature, so you could specify a start and an end color temperature. So as you dim this down, it warms up sort of like an incandescent light bulb. But really fantastic product, and it makes it a lot easier to use a Hue bulb in a room that has a traditional light switch. It's a really, really fantastic, seamless looking product.